Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today the recipe is chicken nuggets. Let's start the recipe. Take 5 pieces of bread and cut it into small pieces. Add bread pieces into the mixie jar. Grind it softly. The bread consistency should be like this. I am taking half kg boneless chicken and cut it into small pieces. Add the chicken into the mixie jar. Add chopped ginger and garlic. If you want, you can take paste. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and take away salt. Grind it softly. The consistency should be like this. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. You have to mix it at least 5 minutes. Now I am making the square shaped pieces, chicken pieces. Take a bowl, add 1 egg, half teaspoon pepper and half teaspoon salt. Beat them well. Heating the pan, add some oil. Now take a piece of chicken we prepared and dip into the egg and breadcrumbs. Take the chicken pieces and put into the oil. Take it out when the nuggets come to golden brown. Now the chicken nuggets are ready. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thanks for watching.